friends, open PixArt. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on this backgrounds and you have to select this third one, white color. The first step, go to tools, tap on this crop. Now select this portrait, okay, the bottom one, portrait. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to draw, tap on this draw, zoom out this background. Now select this shape. Now select this third one, square, scroll up and tap on this fill. Now tap on this OK. Now select this color. Now bring this circle near to orange. Now tap on this tick mark, zoom out and draw like this, the off portion orange like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo, select this crown, zoom out, stretch it and arrange it in the middle like this. Arrange it in the middle like this. Now go to FX, tap on this colors. Now tap on this negative. Now tap on this eraser. Now tap on this shape. Now select this square, zoom out and bring it like this, okay. Exactly you have to divide it into half. Now tap on tick mark. Again tap on tick. Now go to shadow, tap on this position, keep this 100, keep this 100. Now tap on this adjust, make it 100 and decrease it to 20 and decrease it to around 80. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to text and have to tap here and select the first word, first letter of the word, and for my model it is G and N. First I am going to type G, tap on done, tap on tick. And this Sheeping Cats font I will give link in the description, you can go and download there. Now arrange this G in this portion here, you have to arrange it here. Perfect. Now tap on this text and write next letter N, tap on done, tap on tick. Now go to color, tap on this black color and arrange it in this portion like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to text and write your full name, Ganesh. Tap on done, tap on tick. Now go to up arrow mark. Now go to my fonts and select the font. I will use this font link also in the description. Now arrange your model name on the left side here in this portion like this. Perfect. Again go to text, write the remaining name. Tap on done, tap on tick. Now select color and tap on this black color and arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select sitting position model image. This is the model image. I already erased the background. Now arrange your model image perfectly in the center like this, okay, like this. Now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. Shadow PNG, stretch it, squeeze it and bring it down here. Now tap on this layer, tap on this move down and decrease the opacity a little bit to around 65 and stretch it like this, bring little down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to draw, tap on draw, zoom out, tap on the shape, select the line, first one line, decrease the size to 1, tap on OK and draw one line like this. Perfect. Now tap on eraser and erase on the model like this. It is perfect. Now go to layers, tap on plus, tap on empty layer and tap on this brush, tap on the settings, keep to full 128 and opacity around 25 and hardness to around 20. Now draw on the bottom portions like this to give the realistic look. Now go to layers, decrease the opacity to around 75. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to brushes, tap on this fourth one. Now scroll down like this and you have to select the fog PNG or crystal snow PNG. This one, tap on settings, keep around 40 and opacity also around like this and keep one here and keep one here. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the Instagram logo. In this Instagram logo wherever you want, I am going to arrange in this portion and go to opacity, decrease little opacity and arrange in this border like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our tutorial is completed. If you want, go to tools, go to adjust, give final touch up like little contrast, little clarity, little saturation, decrease little highlights and decrease little shadow. Tap on tick. Friends, finally our tutorial is completed and this is the before white background and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.